Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hajar, a passionate makeup artist and makeup instructor. In today's tutorial, I will demonstrate the requested Foxy eye technique on hooded eyes. I myself am blessed with hooded eyes, and what hooded eyes basically are is an eye shape that has excess skin covering the lid, which is called the hood. To figure out whether you are blessed with hooded eyes is simple. Just look straight and relaxed into a mirror without raising your brows. Now, when you have less lid space like me, or your lid space is fully covered with skin while your eyes are open, then congrats, you belong to Team Hooded Eyes. So now back to the topic. Foxy eyes are eyes that look lifted and elongated like the eyes of a fox or cat. Foxy eyes can be created with makeup easily, and there are several methods to apply them. The one we're going for in this video is simple and beginner friendly. Are you ready to enhance your beautiful hooded eyes? Then let's jump into this tutorial. Alright, first of all, I have prepared my lid with a primer, concealer, and set it with translucent powder. What I also did but forgot to record is I contoured the outer part of my eye with a cream contour product upwards. That will help us to make the eyes look lifted further. To lift the eyebrows as well, we apply a highlighting shade from the Toasted Eyeshadow Palette by Tarte in the shade Candle. I applied with a small dense flat shader brush under my brow bone. Next, we choose a transition shade called Latte and applied with the same small flat dense shader brush from previously. Just extend your upper lash line by applying the eyeshadow outwards towards your temples. Once you've created a shadow, then go ahead and apply the same shade in the inner corner of your eye. Stay under your crease folds. Do not apply the eyeshadow above the crease folds. Also apply Latte around your tear duct. Now grab a tapered blending brush and blend the applied eyeshadow shade in sweeping motions. The pointy bristles of a tapered blending brush will help you to blend precisely. Then switch to the shade Fireside and apply it with a small flat dense shader brush on top of the transition shade Latte. Again, apply it on the outer part, extending the upper lash line as well as the inner corner of the eye. Next, blend the eyeshadow shade Fireside with the same tapered blending brush from before. This is optional, but it will make our foxy eyes look more dramatic, so I'm applying a black eyeliner by Kat Von D called the Tattoo Liner. I apply a thin line on top of my upper lash line. It is important to keep the line as thin as possible, since on hooded eyes it will give you the illusion of a wider lid space. Once I reach my outer corner, I extend the line a little and create a narrow wing. Now I smudge the applied eyeliner by using an angled eyeliner brush with a little of the brown eyeshadow shade called Fireside. This will give me a nice transition from dark on top of my lash line to light in the direction to my brows. Then I again grab the tapered blending brush and flick the product outwards to my temples to create a seamless blend. Then I switched to a dark brown liquid dip-in eyeliner by Sense Cosmetics, and I have to add I changed the eyeliner because the other one was too dry since I did not store it upside down. So my tip, if you use felt tip liner on top of eyeshadows, store them always upside down, or just use liquid dip-in eyeliners. I frame my tear duct, creating a small V around it. This will complete the foxy eye makeup look as well as elongate my eyes further. Now, if you have close-set eyes, which means your eyes are close to each other and there is no space for an illusional third eye in the center as the same size of your own eyes, then it is better to not frame the tear duct with eyeliner. The reason simply is your eyes will look too close to each other in that case. Another optional step is to apply another shade on top of your mobile lid. You could leave that step out or apply a matte or shimmery glittery shade like I do. I'm applying the Kiko Milano Glitter Shower Eyeshadow in the shade Gold Baroque with a big size flat dense shader brush. For the lashes, I opt for Full Dramatic Falsies by Sosu Lashes. Because the focus is to lift the eyes, we trim the inner corner part of the falsies with a scissor. I apply the trimmed falsies without glue to check whether they fit perfectly, and they did. So I applied glue on the lash band, and meanwhile I prep my lashes by curling them and applying mascara by L'Oreal called Lash Paradise. I apply the mascara in zigzag motions, mainly focusing on the outer part of the eyes. Finally, the glue is tacky enough, so we go ahead and apply the falsies on the outer corner of the eyes on top of our upper lash line. Now, to blend the falsies with the real lashes, we go ahead and apply another coat of mascara with the falsies on. Last but not least, I clean out any unevenness with a small amount of concealer and a concealer brush for a more precise and clean makeup application. And et voila! This is our Foxy eyes. Comment down your thoughts on this look and let me know whether you want more Foxy eye makeup looks on hooded eyes with the fox emoji. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my channel. I would appreciate it if you leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet to always stay updated in the beauty world. Thank you.